Got my GlueTread repair sidewall kit here. Got my puncture right there on the sidewall. My patch that I traced and cut out. Gonna go ahead and sand this a little more. I'm gonna apply a little bit of glue to the damaged area. Let that sit for about 3 minutes. Now I'm just going to sand the excess glue off. I've now marked out my area where the patch is going to go. Got my patch here. Gonna start putting my application dots on. Okay, I've got all my glue on now. Now I'm just gonna stick it on. Been holding the patch in about 3 minutes now, putting pressure on it. And it feels like it's bonded pretty good. So I'd say she's probably gonna hold. Okay, I've allowed it to cure for about 10 minutes now, and gonna put it back on the rim and see if she holds. Okay, I've got my wheel back on. I got the patch is right behind this puncture right here on the side wall. Got it aired up now. Let's see if it holds. No leaks at all. I'd say she's good to go. Thanks, GlueTread.